जहाँ रहूं जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू है वतन
is leading.
मेरे वतन
Just मेरे वतन record for women's 3000 pitches is in the name of Lalita Babar. A very quick early pace is set by Ankita of Railway.
तुझ पे कोई
going
गम
very
की
quick over
आँच
the hurdles.
आने नहीं दूं
He's taking no assistance
तुझ पे
from the
कोई
hurdles.
गम की आँच
Just flying
आने
into the
नहीं
air.
दूं कुर्बान मेरी
Ankita,
जान तुझ
she
पे
is
शाद
representing
रहे तू
Railway Sports
कुर्बान मेरी जान
over the
तुझ पे शाद रहे
hurdles.
है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू है वतन मेरे वतन मेरे
Second bend over the water jump.
मेरे वतन मेरे वतन मेरे वतन
Specific shoe for the steeplechase. Water jump Hicks
मेरे वतन
happened bold, but the hurdles can be moved in and out of the field. Ankita has decided to lead the race from start, and she has taken a lead of 10 meters at number 2. Anupama M is trailing Ankita of Railway Sports Board. 7.5 lap for 3000 meters steeplechase women's final. And you are watching the 64th edition of National Open Athletics Championship 2025 here at the Birsa Munda Stadium. It's action-packed evening, the 4th and last day of National Open Championship 533. Ankita from Railway Sports. Good display of technique over the hurdles, over the water jumps. She is not losing momentum. A very significant and determinant lead by Ankita from Railway. She looks enormous. A very significant lead of 20 meters ahead of their second position, where Anup Priya from Tamil Nadu. You can see by the aerial cameras, this is big lead, significant lead, and that is irrevocable lead.
देखो सबसे बड़ी मुझसे बस 2 कदम पे देखो जीत खड़ी मुझे कब से इंतजार था आज की शाम का अब देखो क्या करता है ये बंदा हिंदुस्तान का जो किसी के भी आगे झुका नहीं हाँ मैं हूँ उस देश का तू बैठ के ले नजारा स्ट्रैपल और बेस का चलूं या चलूं ढाई चाल मैं खेल मेरा हो
Birsa Munda Stadium. Ankita just moving, accelerating towards the water jump, and she had decided that yes, I will take the charge, I will prove my mettle, I will show the heart. Ankita has set a pace for self. She don't need any pacemaker, she don't need any shadows to be followed. At number 2 is Anupriya from Tamil Nadu, but Ankita looking so strong, determinantal into the new lap. It's a 4 minute fast 33 second for women's 3000 meter steeplechase final. The gap is opening dramatically and quickly. Ankita Rana from Railway Sports. Ankita shall be inducted for the Indian Railways. Those who are giving patronage. Women's 3000 meter final. Ankita, she looks majestic. She is leading from the front.
नाचना जरूर है माँ मेरी देखेगी नाचना
Fabulous
जरूर है
performance, very significantly into the second bend, accelerating for the water jump. Minimum loss of time when she is landing in the water pit. A brave run, superb technique, a great display of over the hurdles. She is taking no assistance, just moving into the air. Ankita, clock is 5 minutes past 48 seconds. A little slow down. Anupriya is trying to reduce the distance for the finals. Ankita, representing Railway Sports, is moving. She's sailing, showing the courage of lion, showing the courage of lioness, moving like a deer. She has launched herself, organized herself, accelerating for the hurdles. Number 553, Ankita from Railway Sports. 4748, Anupriya at number 2. Very, very determined lead, a significant lead. The gap is really increasing and opening dramatically, a very long gap. And this could be irrevocable. This is a significant lead. Ankita of Railway Sports, 533, just gasping to get oxygenated, taking deep breath, time to tolerate the metabolic waste, time to work against the lactic acid. Their heart and their brain is swaying. Move on Ankita, you are the champion. You don't need any pace setter. You have to follow your own shadow into the women's 3000 meter steeplechase final. A brave girl from Railway Sports. Ankita followed by Anupriya at number 2. Just accelerating for the next hurdles. The hurdle is weighing 80 to 100 kg, and you can jump over the hurdles or you can put your feet on the hurdles. In any manner you can cross the hurdle. Ankita is accelerating towards the water jump, this time little slower at the landing. Ankita is born in she's a middle and long distance runner, and here is the lovely sound. I love to hear this sound. This indicate this that you were in the last stage of the race. This is the bizarre thing. It is interesting to watch Ankita, patronized by the Indian Railways, sheltered by the Indian Railways. They are catering, they are nourishing, and they are the scouting best talent from India. Therefore, the Indian Railway is a leader and represented by Ankita for number 533. The 2022 Asian Games and participated in 2024 Paris Olympics. She is a current national record holder in 2000 meter steeplechase, 533. Yes, the time for the celebration, time for the sweets and cakes. Brave running, a front running throughout the race. Ankita from Railway Sports. Wonderful, amazing runners. The gap is really a dramatical. It's a bizarre thing for women's 3000 meters, and she proved her mettle. She was majestic and she smashed her opponents. Come with flying colors. time to get relaxed, time to hanging the boot. Number 3, 582, Rabi Paul of Tamil Nadu. Number 582 from Rabi Paul, 582 from Railway Sports is at number 3. 708 Anupriya M from Tamil Nadu. 334 at 5th is Shaheen Dharwad from Karnataka. Last training athlete, just touching the tape. A sigh of relief. Yes, we done it. We did it. Women's empowerment, really a very tough event, and salute to their brave effort. Women's 3000 meter steeplechase final.
Steeplechase. Ankita of Railway Sports in taken 10 minutes